Sketch ass shit right here.
Sketchy shit, bro.
Should we put the bricks, Luis?
I don't give a fuck.
Are you fucking ready or what?
I'm just gonna prime it. I don't want people to be like, oh, this car don't start.
Did you leave it connected?
He doesn't like the cold weather.
Blame it on the cold weather.
He's from Florida. He doesn't like the cold.
Yeah, it's going down.
Top your head.
You know, you're supposed to be drifting, right?
This is embarrassing. One more. Keep going. One more.
You're about to fucking take that shit out.
Oh no, he's on the frame, dude. We got it.
It's on the frame, baby, and we ain't raising it. God damn. What are you going to do? Cause it's hot, man. Yeah, thanks for so much pussy it be falling out the pocket. So go back.
Fucking throw a tire, fuck it.
Put the brakes on the back.
Fucking Cody Hill over here.
This is fucking sketchy idea.
Even sketchy for you?
Yeah. Fucking hell. Where's the other brick at?
So wouldn't it work if you race the
Just
top?
fucking floor it off that thing.
Huh?
Why didn't you just floor it off?
Oh, floor it off so I can ruin the rest of the car?
Yeah.
Bro, this is a classic, okay?
I mean, you already got rust on the back.
Huh? What rust? Alright, let me know.
A little bit, bro.
A little bit.
One run.
You guys are asking. That was terrible.
Okay, lower the Z, it'd be fun.
Lower cars are fun.
Yeah, they said that when they do it, next time to back the truck up on these ramps.
Hold on. Well, send
Fuck it.
fucking work.
Now to get it back on. Yeah, dude, let's try it like that next time. Put the ramps under the truck.
Yeah, I'm done.
Oh yeah, guys.
We're learning.
Good shit.
Nobody died, everyone got their fingers.
Everybody still got 10?
Yeah, we got 10. I got 9.
I got 11, but that's not counting my other one.
Watch out with this.
That's smart. I didn't think about that.
Sketchy ass fucking shit.
Well, this is the key, boys.
One size fit all?
Hey, pop the head.
Open the hood.
Yeah.
Why they got inspection on?
Make sure your batteries.
I'm gonna move it.
Did fucking Casey pass tech, yo?
Let's make a wish foundation, Casey. Woo!
I think he...
What is that?
Oh, shit. That's the Corvette, huh? Damn.
Damn, they rich. They shitting on all of us. That was cute. You should make it like that, bro. It's purple. It's already purple.
Thank you.
Oh, I think he passed. Hold up. Let's go check. Casey, did you fucking pass?
Yeah, I passed. Well, he said next time I'm here, I have to replace my windshield, or I can't drive.
Oh, really?
Oh.
That guy did.
Now you know. Let it rip, boy.
Stop real quick.
Aw, shit. Where's the ugly ass banana? Ah, fuck, I ran out of zoom. Oh, there's Cody. That was dope. That was clean. V8 swapped RX-7.
Where you going?
Hey, there you go. Oh, fuck, I didn't catch that. He's done.
Other side, passenger side.
You were about to have the same fucking problem that others had.
What? Thank you, Daddy.
Yeah.
Hey.
Parts when you need them.
I love you. It's my job.
I'm not paying you. Where's my OT, bitch?
Fucking Luis pin right here. Gang, gang.
Yo, shout out. Follow my OnlyFans, Luis_69.
Ready to see you fucking. You gonna go hard or you gonna go light? I'm gonna go hard. Okay. There's only one setting, bro. One setting. I'm at 2. I'm the lowest tier.
Nah.
Seriously?
You're the lowest Z. There's a fucking Miata that's low as fuck
I'm the
too.
lowest Z.
Where's that guy?
There's a 240 that's pretty low too though.
Yeah.
That one right there?
No. There's like a gray one.
Right over there in that.
I mean, technically he's not low. He just has side skirts that make him look low. How's your car, Cody?
Hopefully it's okay.
You want a water?
Fucking ready.
Get your fucking fat ass over here. Come on, you know.
Please let Casey not crash the car
Or set it on fire.
or set it on fire.
Or lose a lug nut like a dumbass. Fetty on Fetty, baby. I can't go in. I ain't ready. Huh? I can't go. Oh, get over here, baby. Come on, hand in here. Hand in here. Get over here, Nick. Come on. We're all gonna be.
Hurry up!
We're all gonna have fun.
No breaking the cars today, boys.
Breaking the cars, all right?
Casey.
All right. Slow one. Fuck off.
Put your seatbelt on, Luis. We don't want you flying out. Hold on the radio. What happened, Casey?
It's a little warm.
Overheating?
Front wheels off.
Oh no. Oh no.
Yeah, mine that.
Oh
No, no.
No.
You got no fans.
Huh? Yeah, is it bad?
Your mechanics suck.
Yo, Luis, he's talking to you, bro.
Where's the strippers at? Or in the car?
There's some right here, bro.
Let me see them.
I'm right here, baby. Have your fucking dollar bills out.
Ooh, bet.
Fixing the car on the spot with Luis.
Certified electrician.
Check out his OnlyFans.
OnlyFans.
Wait, no, your OnlyFans aren't working right now, bro.
I don't even know anymore.
He's got to do a little stripping.
Flathead. No title. Painted yellow. Been scratched off.
Yo, Casey, let me see that key. That's how you start the car?
Oh yeah.
Don't start it.
Wow, 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 wow.
No, why did shut off?
Fucking Louis the man right here with the wiring.
That's what I do, bro. That's what I do.
The fuck are you doing?
Bro, we're gonna make this work, bro.
Yo. Yo, Casey, you got a fire extinguisher, right?
Yeah.
Good. Is it with you?
I ain't seen it in the fucking car.
No fucks given.
No fucks given, bro. Yo, is there any tape? I think we got tape, no? See, try that. Start it up or turn on the ignition.
Uh-oh. Hands on? There you go. Are you scared for your life, passenger?
Hell no. Hell no. Like, I am help. Help.
Help! This car needs some milk.
This car needs some milk.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! You gotta play some R. Kelly music, bro. It'll get you in the mood. Or suicide, just make it fucking commit suicide. You know what's funny? I got all this shit at home. Oh, hey Casey, you own a fucking Z now. You gotta carry zip ties with you at all times.
Huh?
You own a Z now. You gotta carry zip ties with you at all times.
Only when you send it.
That's how my bumper stays on all the time.
I'm gonna zip tie this, bro.
Bro, play that shit loud as fuck as you're drifting.
We're gonna zip tie this.
You gotta play that shit loud as fuck as you're drifting.
There you go. Good. Send it.
Good? Alright, thank you guys. Pee on me, daddy. Pee on me.
Show the moves, Casey! Oh, get it!
R. Kelly, Chris Yellow.
Slow boys drifting. Woo! Yo, let me see a titty. Hey!
Hey!
The wheel lock that's falling, but we sanding it. That shit looks clean though.
It does look pretty dope,
Rattle can. We did a good job, Rick.
Hell yeah.
We did a good job.
Almost fucking ran them guys over.
Yeah, we got it well. That was a very good,
Good initiate.
got a little squirrely there.
Trailer setup 2.0. This might work better.
Mike, we'll see.
We'll see,
Knowing
bro.
KC, no, he's going all the way.
He's gonna send it.
Well, hopefully that flaw hitch doesn't pop up.
Oh,
It's the wrong one.
Doesn't have to be like that.
Yeah, alright, we'll send it.
That's true. Yeah, it's gonna fuck up the base.
Oh, let's grab the jack. Let's put it right here.
Nah, you're Gucci. It's gonna scrape a little though, I'll tell you that much.
You can go that way more, dude. Just a little bit more this way.
Yeah, we definitely need higher ramps.
We need more wireframes, dude. You're right.
Yeah. Hey, that should work.
Shout out to my mucus.
I think you left your oil pan right here, but it's alright.